Now, exfoliation, like I always say, is the key to having that glowing skin, to having that beautiful radiating skin. And there are different forms of exfoliation. This video is particularly for people that have decided to use body scrubs as their form of exfoliation. You guys already know that I am a huge fan of using exfoliating body lotion, and since I found out about exfoliating body lotion, I haven't turned back to using body scrubs. I used to use body scrubs, and I've compared the two of them. I feel like exfoliating body lotions gives me more results, but there are some people that have still used the both of them, exfoliating body lotions and body scrub, and they still go for body scrub. They like how it feels on their skin, they like how it is on their skin. So if you're one of those people, you need to make sure that you are using your body scrubs correctly, because if you're not using it correctly, you're not going to maximize the benefits of exfoliation. And exfoliating your skin has a lot of benefits. Apart from the fact that it would help to slug off dead skin cells, it also helps your other skincare products penetrate deeper into your skin. So if you are using body scrubs, if you decided to use body scrub, make sure that you are doing it correctly. And that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video, how to scrub your skin correctly, because I have discovered that most people don't scrub correctly, and that is why your skin is not glowing. That is why you still have dead cell buildup. That is why your skin is still looking dull, because you are not exfoliating correctly. But not to worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that correctly to maximize the whole benefits. But before we dive right into this video, please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so now. I beg you in the name of God. We are almost at 3k subscribers. Hooray! Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. It will help to make this video go viral. Drop your comments, share your thoughts in the comment section, and share this video to your family and friends. So without further ado, let us dive right into this video. Now, the first mistake I've seen most people make, especially when it comes to using body scrub, is applying their scrubbing their skin on dirty skin. If you've been doing that, you need to stop doing that now. No, just stop. Do you know that your body scrub contains ingredients that your skin needs to absorb? It is not just sugar or salt. It also has other ingredients. Like the one I used in making this video contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and AHA. You need to make sure that you are maximizing all these ingredients and they are penetrating into your skin to give you the maximum results. And that can only happen if you are exfoliating or if you are scrubbing your skin on a clean skin. Now, this is where pre-cleansing comes in. Pre-cleansing is a step you need to take. It's a very, very important step you need to take before you scrub your skin. Now, your pre-cleansing would help to remove the initial sweats, dirt, germs on your skin, so that when you scrub, your skin will be clean and all the other ingredients in your scrub will penetrate into your clean skin. Now, if you don't pre-cleanse first and your skin has germs, sweat buildup, dirt, and you scrub your skin, you are only putting those sweats and those dirt into your skin pores, clogging your pores, preventing your scrubs from working and preventing your other skincare products from working. Now, for your pre-cleansing, you're going to be needing a mild, gentle moisturizing soap. I always prefer using a baby soap for this. Baby soaps are usually mild, gentle, and moisturizing. So for this, I'll be using the Cousin baby soap. The Dove bar soap and the Olay bar soap are also very good options. Now, you're going to use this soap to cleanse your body first. Remove the sweat, the germs from your skin before you go in with your body scrub. Now, when scrubbing your skin, use an exfoliating glove, because an exfoliating glove just helps. It gives that additional hot feeling to your skin to like make sure that your skin is very well exfoliated. So I'd recommend you exfoliate your skin using an exfoliating glove if you have one. When you're scrubbing your skin, make sure you are paying attention to details. And when I mean details, I mean the joints in your skin. Your knuckles, your elbow, your knees, your ankles, all those places where you have joints. Make sure you are paying attention to those places, because those places are prone to getting darker. Scrub your skin very, very well. The only place that shouldn't be scrubbed is your face, because I don't advise using physical scrubs on your face. So scrub your neck, scrub your elbow, scrub your ankle, scrub your knuckles very, very well. I don't know if you know this, but scrubbing is one way you're going to brighten your knuckles. If you're dealing with dark knuckles, scrub your knuckles and you'll notice that your knuckles will start to get brighter. Scrub your knuckles. If you're dealing with dark knee, if your elbow is dark, scrub those places. If you have bumps on your elbow, scrub it, and you notice that with time those bumps will start getting flat, they'll start smoothing out. If you're also dealing with darker armpits, scrub that armpits very well. Now after that, you're going to notice that your skin will feel very smooth instantly, very smooth, very soft. Your pores are open. Now is the best time to use any brightening body products you have, or any body products you have that has any active, because they are going to work better. Like, scrubbing has already given room for them to work very, very, very well. So now what I would advise you to do, if you have a brightening body soap or a brightening body wash, or a body wash that contains retinol, a body wash that contains vitamin C, a body wash that contains kojic acid, now is the time to use it to apply on your body. Yes, now in this video I use the kojic lightening soap after scrubbing my skin. That is because I want to maximize the benefit of this body soap. Now you've already pre-cleansed, you've used your body scrub, your skin already feels clean. Now if you're the kind of person that is using your kojic lightening soap to fade darker armpits, or you have spots on your body, or you have marks on your skin, dark marks on your skin that you need to treat, now is the time to apply that kojic lightening soap on your skin and let it sit for some time. Since it's on your body, it's not going to sting you so fast, so you can let it sit for as long as 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, however your skin can tolerate. Let it sit, and still you decide to use your sponge afterwards to wash your body. But if you feel like your skin is clean enough, you can just rinse off. Now you remember I said now is the time to use all your active products. That includes your body serum if you have one, your body lotion, your body oil, because at this point your skin is open for all those other products to enter. So if you have a brightening body lotion, or a retinol body lotion, or a moisturizing body lotion that you feel has ingredients that your skin needs to absorb, you need to use that now. So if you're focusing on brightening, get your vitamin C body lotion or your brightening body lotion and apply it on your skin. If you're focused on anti-aging, get that retinol body lotion and apply on your skin. And then after everything, you seal in everything. You seal in all the nutrient that has absorbed into your skin with a body oil, a body butter, or even your Vaseline. Make sure that you're using an occlusive that would just seal in everything, and you are going to see how your skin is going to glow. Do this consistently, follow this technique that I have showed you, or I have told you now, and you're going to see how your skin is going to glow. If you've been exfoliating the wrong way before, try using this technique and you're going to be wowed at the results you're going to get. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel to join this beautiful family. Please, we are almost at 3K. Subscribe so that I will grow. My goal is to hit 5K subscribers before this year runs out, and I believe I can do it with your help. So please help me like this video so that this video can go viral, and yeah, share with your family and friends. Drop your comments, drop your thoughts, and until I see you in my next one, have a wonderful week. Bye.